what could be done in India in hydraulics. Many were imported and we are not doing much. With the support from the family, friends, I could able to start the industry, Canara Hydraulics Private Limited.
Born into a remote village in Karnataka, Santhosh M Shetty grew up facing hardships. He left his studies midway and worked wherever he could.
It is only the agriculture. We don't have anything else to sustain the family. Whatever my education up to even 12th standard, we are not used to spend not even 50 rupees per year. We used to walk barefooted.
Growing up in hardship, Santhosh saw hope in technical education. He enrolled at ITI Hubli. But within a year, he discovered NTTF and moved to Bengaluru.
It is actually a major turning point for me to understand more about hydraulics. I joined one of the company called Hydrolines. I worked only for 3 months there.
Santhosh realized he was not meant to build someone else's dream. With very little money, a mortgaged family field, and the courage to take risks, he decided to start something of his own.
Initially, we started with just one lathe machine, one honing machine, and one small bench grinder, and with the minimum instruments.
The journey of Canara Hydraulics, which began in 1991, has made it a trusted hydraulic cylinder manufacturer with 3 manufacturing plants, serving customers across India, Europe, the United States, and the UAE. With advanced automation, robotics, and a workforce of over 350 people, the company continues to strengthen its presence in the global manufacturing ecosystem.
India is having a great opportunity now for manufacturing, and I am very happy whatever the way we are contributing to the manufacturing growth of India, generating lot of revenue with international sales.